Do you keep making the same mistakes in English? Hey, Alistair from Al's Action English. If you want to learn English on the go, you should consider subscribing. Today, we're going to look at the most common mistake learners make with first conditionals, how to correct this mistake, and how to stop making this mistake. Let's start with our daily question. What difference will it make to your life if you improve your English? Comment below, be open and honest, talk to each other. Also, let me know which other mistakes you would like me to cover in the next lesson. First, I promise this is the single most common mistake I hear from English learners with the first conditional. Everyone from beginner to advanced, even proficient speakers. So, what is it? If I will pass all my exams, my parents will give me $100. Here's the correction. If I pass all my exams, my parents will give me $100. So why do learners make this mistake? Mistakes are extremely important in the learning process. If we truly understand why we are making a mistake, we are less likely to make it. So why do so many learners say, if I will pass my exams, my parents will? Why did they say will twice? It's simple. The first conditional is used to talk about things in the future. The overall meaning is in the future. So naturally, learners want to use will because we use will with the future. However, this is not the form, the structure for the first conditional in English. Let's look at it now. So again, we'll look at a mistake and then we'll correct it. If they will arrive early, we'll start. Two wills. This is incorrect. Here is the correct form of the first conditional. If plus a present form, will plus infinitive. If they win the match, he'll be happy. They win is a present form. He'll be will plus infinitive. Here are some other reminders about the first conditional with examples to help. Number one, we are able to use a modal instead of will. If it rains this weekend, we should stay inside. Should, a modal verb instead of will. Number two, unless means the same as if not, and won't as will not. Unless the storm stops, we won't be flying on holiday. Number three, we usually contract person plus will. We shorten them. I will becomes I'll, he will becomes he'll, they will becomes they'll, and so on. If our child keeps drinking milk, he'll grow big and strong. Number four is a reminder about writing. If the will clause comes first in the sentence, we do not write a comma. I'll shake her hand if she climbs Mount Everest. No comma. To review, we never say if I will, if she will, if they will. Never. Well done on your next step towards fluency. Thanks for watching. Please leave any queries and answers to the daily question in the comment section. If you've enjoyed this video and would like to keep improving your English on the go, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any content. I'll post more videos and see you soon.